Dogecoin. Even the name sparks a reaction. Is it a joke, a revolution, or just a wild ride in the world of cryptocurrency? Once dismissed as a joke, Dogecoin has exploded in popularity, captivating the attention of seasoned investors and curious newcomers alike. Its journey, fueled by internet humor and a passionate community, has been nothing short of remarkable. But what lies ahead for this meme-turned cryptocurrency in 2025? The answer, as with all things crypto, is shrouded in a mix of potential and uncertainty. This essay delves into the fascinating world of Dogecoin, equipping you with the knowledge and tools to navigate its unique market dynamics. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or a curious newcomer, understanding Dogecoin's potential and pitfalls is crucial. Join us as we explore the exciting, unpredictable world of Dogecoin in 2025. Unlike traditional assets, Dogecoin dances to the beat of its own drum. A drum often pounded by memes, tweets, and the unpredictable whims of social media. Born from a popular internet meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog, Dogecoin's value is intrinsically linked to public perception and online trends. A single tweet from Elon Musk, a well-known Dogecoin enthusiast, can send its price soaring. Similarly, a viral meme or a surge in online community support can trigger massive market fluctuations. This unique characteristic, while exciting, also makes Dogecoin highly volatile. Understanding the power of social sentiment is crucial for anyone venturing into the Dogecoin market. Keeping a finger on the pulse of online communities, tracking trending hashtags, and monitoring influential voices can provide valuable insights into potential price movements. Remember, in the world of Dogecoin, perception is often reality. Navigating the Dogecoin market requires more than just understanding memes. It demands a keen eye for data, an understanding of market trends, and the right tools to decipher the signals. Fortunately, a plethora of resources are available to help you make informed decisions. TradingView, a popular charting platform, allows you to visualize Dogecoin's price history, identify trends, and utilize technical indicators. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko provide real-time data on Dogecoin's price, market capitalization, and trading volume, giving you a snapshot of its current market standing. And don't underestimate the power of Google Trends. Analyzing search interest in Dogecoin can reveal shifts in public sentiment and potential price movements. For example, a sudden spike in Google searches for Buy Dogecoin could indicate a surge in buying pressure, potentially driving the price upwards. These tools, combined with a healthy dose of critical thinking, provide a powerful arsenal for navigating the Dogecoin landscape. While past performance is never a guarantee of future results, especially in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, a strategic approach can help mitigate risks and potentially maximize returns. Here's a simplified 3-step strategy for approaching Dogecoin investment in 2025. First, news sentiment analysis. Before hitting the buy button, gauge the overall sentiment surrounding Dogecoin. Are positive news articles dominating the headlines, or are warnings of a bubble dominating the discourse? Are influential figures voicing support or skepticism? Understanding the prevailing narrative can offer valuable clues about potential price movements. Second, chart analysis. Utilize platforms like TradingView to study Dogecoin's price history, identify support and resistance levels, and spot potential trends. Are there recurring patterns? Is the price consolidating, or is it showing signs of a breakout? Chart analysis can help you time your entry and exit points more effectively. Third, whale movement tracking. Large holders of Dogecoin, often referred to as whales, can significantly impact the market with their trades. Keep an eye on platforms that track large transactions, as sudden movements by these whales can signal upcoming price swings. Remember, this is just a basic framework. Always conduct thorough research, consider your risk tolerance, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 5. Whales, wicks, and warning signs, navigating the risks. The allure of Dogecoin, with its potential for rapid growth, can be intoxicating. However, it's crucial to approach this market with a healthy dose of caution. Dogecoin's volatility, while potentially lucrative, also exposes investors to significant risks. Volatility: Dogecoin's price can swing dramatically in short periods, driven by factors ranging from Elon Musk's tweets to broader market trends. These rapid fluctuations can result in substantial gains and equally substantial losses, making risk management paramount. Manipulation. The relatively low price of Dogecoin makes it susceptible to market manipulation, where large players can artificially inflate or deflate the price to their advantage. Be wary of sudden, unexplained price movements and avoid making impulsive decisions based solely on short-term fluctuations. FOMO, or fear of missing out. The fear of missing out on potential profits can lead to emotional decision-making, often resulting in poor investment choices. Avoid getting caught up in the hype and make rational decisions based on your research and risk tolerance.
Breaking news.
Section 6. Doge Safe, Doge Smart, Practical Tips for the Cautious Investor. Navigating the Dogecoin market requires a delicate balance of enthusiasm and caution. Here are some practical tips to help you approach this exciting, yet unpredictable, market safely. Diversification. Never put all your eggs in one basket, especially in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes to mitigate risk and protect your investments. Start small. If you're new to Dogecoin, start with a small investment amount that you're comfortable losing. This allows you to gain experience, understand the market dynamics, and gradually increase your exposure as you become more comfortable. Dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing a lump sum, consider dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. This strategy helps to average out the purchase price over time, reducing the impact of volatility on your overall investment. Set realistic expectations. While Dogecoin has the potential for significant gains, it's essential to set realistic expectations. Avoid chasing unrealistic returns or making investment decisions based solely on hype or speculation. Section 7. Beyond the meme, Dogecoin's potential impact. While often viewed through the lens of humor, Dogecoin's impact extends beyond the realm of memes and internet jokes. Its passionate community, low transaction fees, and growing acceptance as a form of payment have positioned it as a potential player in the evolving landscape of digital currencies. Community-driven Dogecoin boasts one of the most active and engaged communities in the cryptocurrency space. This passionate community, driven by a shared love for the meme and a belief in the coin's potential, has played a crucial role in its growth and adoption. Microtransactions. Dogecoin's low transaction fees make it well-suited for microtransactions, enabling its use for tipping content creators, supporting online communities, and facilitating small-value purchases. Accessibility. Dogecoin's relatively low price point makes it more accessible to a wider range of investors compared to cryptocurrencies with higher entry costs. This accessibility has contributed to its growing popularity, particularly among younger generations. Section 8. The future of Doge, a look ahead. Predicting the future of any cryptocurrency, let alone one as unpredictable as Dogecoin, is a fool's errand. However, analyzing current trends and potential developments can provide insights into possible scenarios for Dogecoin in 2025 and beyond. Increased adoption. As the cryptocurrency market matures and adoption grows, Dogecoin's ease of use, low fees, and passionate community could position it as a preferred option for everyday transactions and micropayments. Institutional interest. While currently limited, increasing interest from institutional investors could inject significant capital into the Dogecoin market, potentially driving its value upwards. Regulatory landscape. The evolving regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies will undoubtedly impact Dogecoin's future. Favorable regulations could foster further innovation and adoption, while stricter measures could hinder its growth. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the uncertainty, unleashing the potential. Dogecoin, the meme-turned cryptocurrency, continues to defy expectations, captivating the world with its unique blend of humor, community, and volatile price swings. While its future remains uncertain, one thing is clear: Dogecoin is a force to be reckoned with. As we venture further into 2025, understanding Dogecoin's unique market dynamics, utilizing the right tools, and approaching investments with a balance of enthusiasm and caution will be paramount. Embrace the uncertainty, navigate the risks, and who knows, you might just find yourself riding the Doge to the moon. But always remember, in the unpredictable world of cryptocurrencies, the only guarantee is that there are no guarantees. Stay informed, stay cautious, and most importantly, stay curious. The future of Dogecoin, much like the internet itself, is a story waiting to be written.